Hi, I'm Miranda with Center for World Affairs, and today I'm going to show you how to use the hat press. I'm going to show you how to use the heat press with the hat press attachment to it. So you're going to need a blank hat, some heat tape, scissors, and your pre-cut design, and some heat gloves. Because this will get hot, you don't want to burn yourself. So using the heat tape, we are going to put our design on the hat. Using preset 1, we have it set to 315 degrees for 30 seconds. Put your heat gloves on before putting the hat into the press. So it's counting down to let us know how long we need to leave it on there. Okay, remove your hat. Once your plastic is cooled, you peel your design away and you will have yourself a hat. Make sure your image is mirrored before cutting and make sure to always have your heat gloves on. So now that it's cooled, we're going to remove the tape. And we have a new hat. This is just one of the many things you can make at our Makerspace with our equipment.